Hi everyone, I'm Chris from V-SYS and today I will introduce our latest M2F Wi-Fi motorcycle DVR Wi-Fi version. And the connection is very simple. There's only 6 steps. And first, you have to power on the device. And you'll find there's Wi-Fi symbol here, which means the Wi-Fi is connectable. And second, we scan the QR code. iOS version. Open Safari. Open it. And this is our Wi-Fi app. Wi-Fi camera. Open it. Disconnected because we have to set it in the settings. In the Wi-Fi mode, you will find there's a Wi-Fi named Moto DVM2. This is our Wi-Fi signal. Enter the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Join it. Okay, successful. Go back to the app and press preview. Okay, here's the video. This is the front camera, and press this button to switch over the second camera. This is another one, and it's recording. Press this button to pause record and go back. Here's the online. In this mode, you can play back all the video file in the memory card, and here's the local file. You can download the file to your mobile phone and share it to the social media. And open it, play back, and down. The local file, short press it, open, share, delete, edit, cancel. Oh no, show you how to share it. You can share to the Facebook and YouTube, etc. Many social media platform, and I don't have the YouTube in the mobile phone, in this iPhone. And here's the settings. You can set up the resolution here, 1080p 30 frames per second, and 720p 60 frames per second, and 720p 30 frames per second. And looping video, you can choose of 1 2 3 5 minutes, and we set up, cancel it. And the sound record, you can turn on and off. The GST means the G sensor sensitivity. You can choose different level according to your motorcycle and the road situation, and format the SD card, cancel it. And the SSID is Moto DVM2, and the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 0, and you can modify it by yourself. It's very easy, but the Wi-Fi version is the latest version made by V-SYS, and we believe this new function will bring you something different and make the device be more convenient for all the riders. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.